Hey everyone, welcome back into my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the fluorescence microscope. Usually in case of light microscope or electron microscope, in case of light microscope, the light that is employed to excite the molecule. In case of electron microscope, the beam of electrons has been used to excite the molecules or the specimen basically. That we want to visualize through the microscope. In case of fluorescence microscope, the specimen is excited with the help of a radiant or radiation energy, okay, that is excited via the radiation, and that radiation is absorbed by the specimen. Why? Because the specimen is reacted with a chemical known as fluorochrome. Okay, now what is the fluorochrome? Fluorochrome basically they help in the absorption of this radiation energy at the beginning of the microscopy, and then this specimen with the help of this fluorochrome, which actually absorb this radiation energy, that will emit light at higher wavelength. Okay, higher wavelength but low energy. As we all know, what is fluorescence? The principle of fluorescence basically depending upon there is a high energy but low wavelength radiation that will hit something, and if the molecule absorb that radiation, that will emits the light at a very higher wavelength but low in energy. So that is the basic principle of the fluorescence microscope, and fluorochrome that has to be used to stain the specimen. Without the fluorochrome, this whole fluorescence microscope is not possible to detect the structure or any kind of a picture of the specimen, whether the bacteria and all. In case of detection of pathogenic bacteria, the fluorescence microscopy has been used very much. So the principle is they will absorb a radiation energy which is very high in terms of energy but low in wavelength, okay, and emit the light at a very high wavelength with a low energy. Usually UV light, violet light, these type of or blue light has been used to excite the specimen. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much. If you like, please subscribe my channel.